Hello everyone, this is Jason from China. Today I will share the chemical molecular structure of nylon. Enjoy sharing. Nylon, a chemical name by polyamide and PA for short. In fact, there are two categories of nylon, aliphatic nylon and aromatic nylon. From the molecular structure, their biggest difference is benzene ring structure in the molecular formula, while aliphatic nylon do not have benzene ring. Aliphatic compounds, also known as open-chain compounds, the carbon atoms in the molecule are connected into chains, which are divided into saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds. And aromatic compounds are a class of compounds with a benzene ring structure. Aliphatic nylon is divided into P-type and MP-type. Aromatic nylon is divided into semi-aromatic and full aromatic. Please check the picture below of a list of nylon categories. According to the polymerization process, P6 and P12 are ring-open polymerization, and the others are condensation polymerization. By the way, they have copolyamide not listed in above category, like high and low molecular weight polyamide, hot melt adhesive nylon, and low-pressure injection molding nylon, mainly used in hot melt adhesive coating, encapsulation materials, etc. These belong to copolyamide. It is not expanded discussed here, because these are not related to modified nylon. Okay, first let's take a look at the molecular structure of aliphatic nylon so that we can also understand the naming rules of nylon. We found that aliphatic nylon are named according to the number of carbon atoms on both sides, such as Pa610. We called Pa6 10 because there are 6 carbon atoms on the left and 10 carbon atoms on the right. Now, let's look at the molecular structure of aromatic nylon. First, check the semi-aromatic nylon. From the above rules, we found that semi-aromatic nylon have a p-benzene structure on one side and a methylene chain structure on the other. They have a special semi-aromatic nylon, is MXD6. It's also named transparent nylon. Also the name high barrier nylon due to its high modulus. MXD6 nylon is M-benzene structure. The naming room of semi-aromatic nylon, we found that they are all named after the number of carbon atoms on one side. Then, full aromatic nylon have a molecular with the benzene ring on both sides. Please check below. PPTA, the fiber made from it named P-benzene aromatic fiber 1414, brand like Kevlar, Teron, Technora, Teparin. PMIA, the fiber made from it named M-benzene aromatic fiber 1313, brand like Nomex, Temeta, Comex. PEA, the fiber made from it named aramid fiber 14. I believe you already found the difference according to the molecular formula shown. That's all for today. Basically, introduction classification of nylon according to the chemical's molecular structure. The following are the names of chemical molecular by the number of carbon atoms and the classification of hydrocarbon for reference. Next, we are going to share Pa6 and Pa66, which are mainly compounding as a base resin. Hydrocarbons are compounds of carbon and hydrogen atoms, mainly including alkenes, siloalkenes, olefins, alkynes, aromatic hydrocarbons. This is Jason, a layman who studied nylon. Thank you. See you later.